Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Ashling Stories. I am Akansha and welcome to another monthly favorite video. This is the series where we talk about all the highlights, lessons learned, snacks of the month, book of the month, skincare products I liked using and every detail of the last month. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing that I have to mention in this video is a podcast. So basically I was listening to guided meditation podcast on Spotify. So I prefer doing guided meditations. But जितने भी मैंने अभी तक किए हैं ना वो इतने ज़्यादा guided होते हैं ना that throughout the 10-15 minutes the person is constantly saying something and मेरा ढंग से ना वो focus नहीं हो पाता था. Though there are few meditations, online meditations that I really like, but the only negative thing that I like about those meditations is कि वो constantly बोलते रहते हैं. I need some time जिसमें कोई कुछ भी ना बोल रहा हो and I'm just meditating. So ये वाला जो problem था ना that got solved with guided meditation podcast. Normal जो time है that is around 10 to 20 minutes के बीच में आपको meditations मिल जाएंगे. Literally आपको सारी चीज़ों के लिए meditation मिल जाएंगे. If you are feeling any sort of pain, anxiety है, depression है, mindfulness के लिए चाहिए, present moment के लिए चाहिए. So basically a lot of variety in that meditation. सारे meditations का ending and beginning same रहता है but ड्यूरिंग द मिडल ऑफ द मेडिटेशंस वो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा बहुत डिफर करता है सारे सेशंस. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट दैट आई लाइक अबाउट दोज मेडिटेशंस इज कि आपको मतलब दे विल गाइड यू थ्रू द एंटायर मेडिटेशन बट एट द सेम टाइम दे विल गिव यू इनफ टाइम to remain with yourself. So वो constantly बोलते नहीं रहते. They'll tell you कि now you have to like focus on breathing and then उसके बाद they'll stay mum and then you would be focusing on your breathing and then they would say try to focus on the point of contacts that you have around your surroundings and then उसके बाद again वो लोग शांत हो जाएंगे and then you will be doing that. So basically a guided meditation but at the same time you have some time for yourself as well. So this is the kind of meditations that I really enjoy and fortunately I got to know about guided meditations podcast. So highly recommend you to check that one out as well, see if you like that. Next up is a YouTuber that I have to mention, that is Maya Lee. Now basically her content revolves around lifestyle and similar kind of content that I make, but majority of the videos that she makes is upon morning lifestyle and habit building and how to become a early morning person. And for this year I have a major goal of becoming a morning person. मैंने last में से 6 AM challenge भी किया था and I was constantly working throughout this month as well to keep up with that flow. कहीं ना कहीं वो बीच में रह जा रहा था. मैं किसी दिन 7:30 उठ रही थी, किसी दिन 6:30 भी, बट कभी कभी 8:30 भी हो जा रहा था. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू गेट दैट मोटिवेशन कि नहीं, जो मैंने 6 AM चैलेंज किया था आई वॉन्टेड टू लाइक ब्रिंग दैट इन टू माई रियल लाइफ एज वेल. सो आई वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली सर्चिंग फॉर मोटिवेशन किया मैं 6:30 7:30 डेली उठूँ. सो हर वीडियोज हेल्प मी आउट विद दैट एज वेल. माया ली इज नॉट अ न्यू यूट्यूबर जो मुझे अभी पता चली है. आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग हर फ्रॉम अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम बट दिस पर्टिकुलर मंथ आई वॉज वॉचिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हर वीडियोज रिलेटिंग टू like morning lifestyle, morning habits, morning routine and how to become an early person and all of that stuff. So highly recommend you to check that one out as well. Moving on to skincare of the month. So basically अब summers वगैरह आ गए हैं. एक तो पता नहीं बहुत जल्दी ही आ गए हैं. मार्च में इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती नहीं है, एकदम मई जून वाली गर्मी होने लग गई है. फेयरवेल वगैरह भी आ रहा है. I don't want my skin to break out. So basically there are few products that I changed in my routine, but the one that I actually enjoy using a lot is a moisturizer from Dot & Key. So the one that I'm talking about is Dot & Key Skincare Kika Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. इतना बड़ा तो इसका नाम है. So this is what this looks like. I think Dot & Key ने अपना ये नया कुछ वेरिएंट लॉन्च किया है. मैंने इसको बहुत पहले खरीद लिया था. इनफैक्ट विंटर स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही I bought this product and I was using it in the month of September. I think I was using it in the month of August, September, इसी टाइप का कुछ महीना चल रहा था. That's when I was using this product. And उसके बाद जब winters आने लग गए थे ना, it was not giving enough hydration to my skin during winters. Then I stopped using it and then I again started using it in the month of March. I'm not over with this product yet, but almost half के around खत्म हो गया है and it is so good. Like and इसमें niacinamide वगैरह है, so basically good for oily skin. थोड़ा mild सा smell है, but it is not overpowering. If you have an oily acne prone skin, then I think it is going to suit you as well. If you are looking for a decent night gel, then I think you can check this one out as well. Moving on to book of the month. So this month I picked up The Courage to be Disliked by Ishiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga. I hope that I'm pronouncing their name correct. So this book was recommended by Ali Abdal and Ankur Wariko. I love both of their content, brilliant lifestyle content creator. So highly recommend if you haven't checked out their channels yet. So this is the book that they recommended and I thought that I should give this a try and I picked it up. So basically it's a dialogue between a philosopher and a young person. So the philosopher is saying that life is pretty easy and you can attain happiness in very simple ways. At the same time, youth is kind of in conflict with that opinion and he's saying how he has been through trauma and how there are so many struggles in his life and how he's sad and anxious and everything. So basically both of these people are talking about conflicting things, but at the same time the philosopher helps him see the problems through a different context. He says कि तुम इस तरीके से देख रहे हो but इस तरीके से भी देखा जा सकता है. So brilliant conversation between the two people, and I was already convinced as to what the philosopher was saying, but at the same time I know the points which were taken by the youth, some sort of points that I already know that a lot of people believe in. So I think you are going to enjoy that book if you are into that lifestyle. So I think it's a brilliant book. There are few pages that I really like. So basically both of them talked about inferiority complex, superiority complex. They also talked about some really like extreme points as well. For example, that trauma doesn't exist, which the youth was kind of very hitting on ki nahi, trauma does exist, I have been through trauma and stuff like that. But at the same time philosopher was saying no, the trauma doesn't exist, and why it doesn't exist, why it's everything in your head and you can always change. So basically a brilliant book, brilliant conversation. From my side I would rate it 3.5 out of 5, because since I was already convinced as to what philosopher was saying, so it was not very like mindset shifting for me. But I think you are going to love that, because the points which were taken by the youth was some like I believe that a lot of people tend to believe in. So a solid 3.5 out of 5 recommendation. Check this out if you're interested in such books. So moving on to songs of the month. So there are particular two songs that I really like this month. एक था जो मैं शुरू के 15 दिनों में बहुत ज़्यादा सुन रही थी, and एक है जो मैं लास्ट के 15 दिनों में बहुत ज़्यादा सुन रही थी. So the first one is ख्वाब by अनुमिता नादेसन. Moving on to the next song. So this song I got to know through a reel, and I have been listening to that song ever since. In fact मैंने उसके ऊपर एक reel भी बना दी थी. A very beautiful song, lyrics बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. So the song that I'm talking about is आँखों से बताना by Dikshant. Moving on to highlights and lessons learned of the month. So इस महीने we realized that our college life is finally कमिंग टू एन एंड. जो पूरा 5 साल का जो हम लोग का कॉलेज था दैट इज कमिंग टू एन एंड. एंड मार्च के टाइम पे ना वो सब तो था ही कि दिमाग में कि यार सिर्फ 2 महीने बाकी है. बट एट द सेम टाइम वी ऑल्सो हैड इन माइंड कि अभी पूरा अप्रैल का महीना बाकी है, पूरा मार्च का महीना बाकी है. सो बेसिकली कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग था, लग रहा था कि बहुत टाइम है, बट एट द सेम टाइम लग रहा था कि बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. सो वी वर इंजॉइंग अ लॉट मोर. हम लोग के लिए काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई थी जो इनिशियल ईयर्स में इतना होता नहीं था. बट बिकॉज वी रियलाइज कि यार ये maybe it would be last time that we would be doing this, so हम लोग ऐसे we were enjoying a lot more. and इसी महीने हम लोग का रिवायत भी था, that is the annual college fest. so उसमें भी हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा मज़े करे. we had a lot of fun in that. in the month of March we also attended the last lecture, like जो हम लोग के कॉलेज में जो लेक्चर्स होते थे, वी अटेंडेड द लास्ट प्रॉपर ऑफलाइन लेक्चर. जो हमारे प्रोफेसर थे ही वाज गिविंग फेयरवेल टू अस. सो इट वाज अ वेरी इमोशनल काइंड ऑफ अ मूवमेंट. काफ़ी लोगों ने ऐसे बीटी लेना शुरू भी कर दिया है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम काफ़ी लोग ऐसे हैं कि नहीं यार अभी एक महीना बाकी है. सो वी शुड मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. एवरीथिंग बिकेम मच मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट्स वाई द मेजर लेसन दैट आई लर्न दिस मंथ इज हाउ टाइम नेवर स्टॉप्स फॉर anyone, and you should always make memories for yourself and always cherish everything that you do and make the best out of everything that you have. So that's the major life lesson that I learned. Another thing that I did this month was I tried my hands on mandala art. So basically a friend of mine makes mandala, and she is very good at it. So she taught me some basic skills as to how you should make angles and how to make symmetrical patterns. So she taught me how to make mandala, and I made couple of that as well. So that's kind of a new interest area that I am building, that I'm enjoying mandala arts more than painting these days. That was it for this monthly favorites video. I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if there's any part that you like the most. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every single Tuesday and Saturday, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.